Hello, dear students from West Bengal. Do you dream of becoming an English teacher in any school of West Bengal? Then this could be the opportunity you have been waiting for. The West Bengal School Service Commission and the West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission are expected to conduct the state level selection test for recruitment of school teachers in West Bengal at the secondary and higher secondary levels. The question is, are you ready for it? And more importantly, are you preparing in a focused and systematic way? At Nibble Pop, we know that success in teacher recruitment examinations requires much more than simply reading texts and memorizing notes. It requires clear strategy, expert guidance, regular practice, and consistent mentorship. This is why we have designed our SSC and MSc teacher recruitment exam batches exclusively for English aspirants. The batch will begin on 3rd of July and will continue till 23rd of November. Classes will be held online, live on Google Meet, 3 times a week, allowing you to prepare from the comfort of your home. We will cover the entire English syllabus in a structured, exam oriented manner, including all the poems, stories, essays, novels, plays, grammar, and rhetoric and prosody. To ensure focused preparation, we have separate batches for each level. The UG course is designed for candidates preparing for secondary level recruitment examination. It consists of 33 classes and will run from 3rd July to 1st October. The PG course is designed for candidates preparing for the higher secondary level recruitment examination. It consists of 59 classes and will run from 3rd of July to 23rd of November. And if you plan to sit for both the exams, we have a combo plan for you. The classes will be conducted by myself and Shuddha Shantu sir. Along with the live classes, you will receive downloadable recorded classes, MCQs, quizzes, guided texts, mock tests, and mock interviews. In short, everything you need for a systematic preparation is available at one place. And most importantly, we will not leave you halfway through the journey. From your very first class to your interview day, we will stand beside you, guide you, and support you through the entire recruitment process. Seats are limited. Enrollment closes on 28th June. For further details and enrollment, you can WhatsApp us at 91635 20212. We really look forward to seeing you in class. Bye bye.